Hello, how you doing? Still away from the kitchen. I'm in London at the moment using my mate's little kitchen. Today we're making this beautiful pork stew. It's very wholesome. We've got some lovely stuff in there, including fennel, which gives it a beautiful, beautiful flavour. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in that pan I've got some olive oil, about 4 tablespoons, and here I've got some lovely pork. I've got like 500 grams or a pound of a lovely tenderloin. Really, really lovely cut this is. Medium heat into that olive oil. We're just going to kind of seal it a little bit, about 4 or 5 minutes. Beautiful stuff. I mean, not cooked at all yet, but just a nice bit of colour on the outside. We're going to hit this with some black pepper, and I'm going to put some salt in here. Now if you want, you can put garlic into this. I'm not adding garlic today, but a bit of garlic would be nice if you wanted to. What I'm going to put in is a few shallots. I'm going to put in a little bit, like half a cup maybe, celery, and about the same of fresh fennel. It's going to give it a lovely flavour. About 3 or 4 more minutes. Keep it moving. Yeah, I think the fennel in here really makes a big difference. Really distinctive flavour. Okay, I'm going to go with some fresh rosemary and some fresh thyme. Use dried if you want, you haven't got it. And then I've just got some cherry tomatoes here that I've just cut in half, about a cup's worth there really. And again we're going to go for about 4 or 5 more minutes, and then very simply we're going to add some liquid. I'm going to be using some stock today, but you could just use water if you want, or you could even use some white wine maybe. And very simply we're going to get some stock in here. So I'm using a pint here of chicken stock, in that goes. Just got a little bit more of that lovely stuff there going to go in. You can use vegetable stock or meat stock, up to you. Okay, I'm going to get a lid on this, going to put this on a little simmer, let it go for about 25 to 30 minutes. Beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. That is a beauty. Really, really beautiful that is. Check that for salt, it's going to be perfect for me. Delicious. Okay, there you go. I think that's really good. Nice wholesome pork stew. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.